Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix network issues on any Poco phone. Now the first step is to open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now from here just tap on reset settings. Now from here just enter your lock screen pin. Now from here tap on next. Now from here just tap on OK. Now once you reset your network settings, it will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset the settings of your Wi-Fi, mobile network and your Bluetooth. Now from here, once you have done that, just go back. Now from here scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now from here just tap on date and time. Now from here make sure you enable set time automatically. Now the last step is to check if your SIM card is inserted properly. Now to do that, just use the SIM ejector tool which comes with your smartphone, or you can use any SIM ejector tool. Just insert the SIM ejector tool on the left side of your Poco phone. Now from here just check if your SIM card is inserted properly. Also from here just check if your SIM card is not broken. If your SIM card is broken, just change your SIM card. Now from here make sure your SIM card is inserted properly and insert the SIM card tray in your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the network issues on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.